Have you ever wondered how high-speed space travel could be possible? Well, it's all about shedding weight, or in this case, mass. Let's take a deep dive into the world of quantum mechanics, the foundation for the quantum inertia nullifier, or QIN, and the Higgs distortion drive, also known as HDD. These swanky pieces of tech operate on advanced quantum principles. Think of the Higgs field, which is like a cosmic soup, where particles go for a swim and come out with mass. The HDD manipulates this field, making particles lighter than a feather. Now, imagine if we could tweak this process even further. That's where the QIN steps in, aiming to nullify inertia by reducing mass to near zero. It's like putting particles on the world's most extreme diet. And voila, we've got ourselves a spaceship ready for a sprint across the cosmos. So it's like giving a diet to particles, making them light enough to sprint across the cosmos. Now imagine if we could nullify inertia. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, let's dive into this fascinating concept. Inertia, in simple terms, is an object's resistance to change in motion. Picture yourself pushing a boulder. It's tough, right? That's because the boulder, due to its hefty mass, has a strong will to stay put, or in scientific parlance, a high inertia. Now let's talk about the quantum inertia nullifier, or QIN, and the Higgs distortion drive, or HDD. They're like the magical spells of space travel. How so? Well, they both operate on the principles of quantum mechanics, the science of the very, very small. The HDD, you see, manipulates the Higgs field, the cosmic glue that gives particles their mass. It's as if it's whispering to the universe, "Hey, can you make my spaceship weigh a little less?" And voila, the spaceship's mass drops, and so does its inertia. But the QIN goes a step further. It aims to nullify inertia, not just reduce it. Think of it as a supercharged version of the HDD. It's like it's telling the universe, "Can you make my spaceship act like it weighs nothing at all?" And the universe, being a good sport, says, "Sure, why not?" And just like that, the spaceship, once a lumbering elephant, becomes as nimble and light as a feather. It's like turning an elephant into a feather, at least in terms of their space travel capabilities. Who doesn't dream of zipping through the stars at the speed of light? It's no secret that speed is the name of the game in space travel. But it's not as simple as just putting the pedal to the metal. Space is a tricky dance floor, and you need the right moves to navigate it. Enter the quantum inertia nullifier and the Higgs distortion drive. These technological marvels, straight out of science fiction, have the potential to turn our space speed dreams into reality. By reducing a spacecraft's mass to near zero, these drives essentially nullify inertia. This means rapid acceleration and deceleration become child's play. Imagine being able to dart around asteroids or pull off intricate maneuvers at light speed. It's like having the agility of a ballet dancer, but in zero gravity. So we're not just talking about speed, but also about the agility of a ballet dancer in zero gravity. Now let's think of the quantum inertia nullifier as the Higgs distortion drive on steroids. It's like our beloved HDD decided to hit the cosmic gym, bulk up on quantum physics, and come out swinging with enhanced maneuverability and control. Imagine the HDD as a wild horse, powerful and fast. Now the QIN is that same horse, but tamed, trained, and ready to respond to your slightest touch. It's not just about going fast anymore. It's about going fast with finesse. This advanced HDD, or the QIN, takes the original concept of manipulating the Higgs field and fine-tunes it. It zeroes in on inertia, the stubborn mule of physics, and tells it to take a hike. It's like convincing a sumo wrestler to pirouette. Sounds impossible, right? But that's the beauty of the QIN. And let's not forget the narrative gold this evolution provides. Picture a science fiction plot where our heroes upgrade their ship from an HDD to a QIN. It's like going from a bicycle to a rocket-powered roller skate. The plot twists, the high-speed chases, the last-minute escapes, all made more thrilling with the QIN. So buckle up, space explorers. With the quantum inertia nullifier, we're not just bending the rules of physics, we're rewriting them for a thrilling cosmic journey.